Welcome. In this video, I will instruct how to download and install the A.U.D.R.E.Y demo. The first step is to type www.compexsoftware.com into the address bar of your web browser. Then please hit enter. Next, select the A.U.D.R.E.Y product. To download the demo, click on Digital Download / Start Free 30-Day Trial. Confirm that you are downloading the A.U.D.R.E.Y setup file and click Download once again. Once the download has completed, open or run the A.U.D.R.E.Y setup file. We recommend that you install A.U.D.R.E.Y on a network drive so that any user that needs to can access and evaluate the software. In this case, we are using the folder S-Apps, allowing the install file to create an A.U.D.R.E.Y folder. Once the install has completed, please launch A.U.D.R.E.Y to confirm that you are able to log in. For the purposes of this demo, your username will be guessed in all uppercase with no password. If successful, you should see something similar to this screen. If you have any questions or problems with the installation, please contact us using the email address support@compexsoftware.com. This concludes the video, How to Install the A.U.D.R.E.Y demo. Thank you.